Hi planner people, I'm back with another unboxing. This one, believe it or not, is not a Gillio. So let's see what's in the box. This actually came much faster than I thought it would. This is going to be a pretty quick unboxing because I just got home from work and I have a boatload of homework to get done that's due in 2 days. So as you can see, it's from Spek. Oh, I opened the box upside down. Let's do this. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so this is a Codex Mega, actually, for my Hobonichi weeks. And I'm kind of torn now because I've actually been using my A6 for the last week or so and have been really liking it again. So I haven't been carrying my poor Hobonichi with me, but oh my gosh, you guys, this leather is to die for. And it's so beautiful. I think I'm gonna have to order this in A6 so that when I switch back and forth, I don't have to abandon it. So I really love it. It feels really nice. It's pretty. So let's look at the inside. I really don't go all out with customizations when I order from Spek because I really like their setup. It has a little pocket here, and then it has 6 card pockets, 2 slip pockets, 1 slip pocket on this side, and then this is a regular size pocket, whereas this one's tiny. It's hard to see with the pattern. I know it's hard, but let me get it closer. It's so nice. My gosh, I love it. And then I did add the big back pocket. I don't know why I add the pocket all the time because I never use it. So I love this, and this might just inspire me to go back to my weeks for a while and let my A6 kind of chill. But this is really, really fantastic. So I definitely want an A6 in this. So let's see how it looks with my Hobonichi. I've been using this Gillio, the undyed leather. Okay, so I've been able to use the cover on cover in my Gillio. I don't know if I will in this one. Nope, it ain't gonna happen, folks. So let me just slip this out of here. Okay, so yes, got, before I started using the cover on cover, it got kind of grubby, so it doesn't look very nice. There we go. Wow. Yeah, I really like that. That's very, very nice. Okay, well, that's it for my unboxing. Thanks for joining me. And off I go to do chemistry homework. Bye.